Right now, somewhere in Minnesota, there's a home being DIY'd and another one being painted over, alone and left to be an eyesore. These scared, innocent homes don't realize there's any hope for a better life. At True Blue, we're committed to searching every dark corner to find them and help heal the deep structural and cosmetic wounds that have been inflicted on them. But we can't reach these homes without your support, so please visit our social media pages or call us with your own home in need, and you'll help rescue all of these abused homes. Your help will provide painting, construction, and love. The situation is urgent, so we're asking you to follow in the next 10 minutes. If you're wondering if your support will make a difference, I can tell you it will. And if you've ever thought about helping, this is the time. It's a painful and horrifying life for these houses. But for just one follow, you can change everything. It could be the most important thing you do today.